everyone, this is Kelly from onTop Local. Today we're going to go over how to post an article through the post place. So you might be thinking, okay, how do I write a good article and how long will it take me? Well, in fact, you only have to take a few minutes, do a couple of quick steps, and you can write a good quality article about your services in less than 5 minutes. Here are some steps to do that. So first you want to go to Google and you want to search a phrase that you think your customers would search online. So if you're a carpet cleaner, what are your customers searching for? Are they searching for carpet cleaning in your area? Maybe how to remove red wine stains from carpet, how to get pet hair out of carpet, how to remove dog urine from carpet, upholstery cleaning in their area. These are some of the things that your customers are going to be searching for to find services like yours. Once you find articles about these things, you want to read a couple of them and see what you find. So read a few of them, maybe see what some of your competitors are writing about, what keywords they're using, what they suggest in their articles to their customers, and then you're going to use those as some creative inspiration for your articles. So once you read a few online, you're going to immediately write about the same subject, but use your own words. Again, we never recommend taking anything and copying and pasting it from somewhere else online, because this won't help you at all in the search results. But you want to make sure you're writing in your own words. If you copy and paste from online, Google won't even see this as it being original content from you. It's going to know that it was written somewhere else, and that original source is going to get credit. So again, don't copy and paste from online, but go read a few articles, use that as some inspiration, and write about that same subject, and use your own words. So now we're going to talk about titles. So the titles of your articles always want to have your main keywords in them. So your keywords are going to basically be your services. So again, we'll use carpet cleaning as an example here. And here are going to be the keywords that carpet cleaners use in their titles and throughout their articles. So all of your titles want to have these keywords in them, but you can't use the same title over and over and over again because Google is going to see that as spam. So we want to make sure that in every article you use these keywords, but we don't want to see them in spam. So how do we do that? We use descriptors. So what we do is we use a simple table like this. We put our keywords in the middle, and we can put descriptors on either side of them like this. Then we can mix and match these descriptors with our keywords and come up with hundreds of titles to use for our articles. It's as simple as this. So one title I use might just be a straight old carpet cleaner in my area. So it might just be, I'm in Gilbert, Arizona, so it might be carpet cleaning in Gilbert, Arizona. My next title might have descriptors on it. It might be best carpet cleaner in Gilbert, Arizona. It might be discount carpet cleaning in Gilbert, Arizona, pet-friendly tile cleaning in Gilbert, Arizona, professional upholstery cleaner in Gilbert, Arizona, expert carpet cleaner specialist in Gilbert, Arizona, and you can see you can just keep going. You could keep going using descriptors on the front, on the back of these keywords, or on either side. You can mix and match these, giving you hundreds of options for your titles. So now what to do. When you get into the body of your article, here's what you do. Here are some rules to follow. You want to make sure that each article is between 250 and 500 words of original content. Again, please don't copy and paste from anywhere online. Now you want to use those same keywords that we were just talking about, those same keywords that you used in the title, at least 2 to 3 more times throughout the body of your article, including the city and state. So if your title was Best Carpet Cleaner in Gilbert, Arizona, then you're going to use Best Carpet Cleaner in Gilbert, Arizona throughout the body of your content, weaving it into different sentences at least 2 to 3 more times throughout the article. You can also use synonyms and variations like cleaner instead of cleaning, but we don't want to deviate too much away from that main keyword phrase. And by keyword phrase, I mean what you used in the title. Then we want to make sure that we link the last set of keywords in an article to a relevant page on our website, and we'll go over how to do all of this. So we're going to get out of this presentation and go right to the post place. So here's where the post place is when you log into webforcepro.net. Here's what it's going to look like when you first log in. You're going to be looking at the dashboard. You're going to scroll down a little bit and find the post place on the left side. Here you go. You're logged into your post place. So in order to post a video, you just click on this button right here, post an article. So here's where you write your article title. So again, I'm going to paste in something like best carpet cleaner in Gilbert, Arizona. This is a great title. So you make sure you use your keywords and your city and state, and you can use descriptors on either side of it. You can also use things like best upholstery cleaner in Gilbert, Arizona, anything like that. However you want your article title to be, just make sure you have those really strong keywords and your city and state. So then we go down to the article content, and here's where you can type in your article. So you just put your cursor right in this box, and you can type directly into this box. Just type, type, type away, type your article. Again, we want between 250 and 500 words. That ends up being between 3 and 4 paragraphs. So you can either type right in there, or you can copy and paste somewhere. So for instance, if you like to type all of your articles into a Word document, what you're going to do is you're going to come up and you're going to click this button right here. It has a little W on it. It says Paste from Word. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to copy and paste some content that I had already written in here. So here's my content, and I'm just going to press OK. If you're taking content from anywhere else, you can use these paste buttons right here. So this one is a paste as plain text, and this, if you want to copy something or quote something from online, you might use this button. Again, don't copy and paste from too many sources, but it is okay to quote an expert here and there. If you're copying and pasting from any other source, like a PDF or anything like that, you can use this paste button right here. And basically what these paste buttons do is they remove any kind of formatting. If there's any kind of hidden text from a website or any links or anything like that, we just want really clean content to go into your article. We don't want anything hidden. So we want to make sure that we strip all of that away, and that's what these paste buttons do. So if you're pasting anything, make sure to use one of these 3 paste buttons at the top. So okay, so we have our content in here. It's great. We've repeated our keyword phrase a couple of times. Now we want to make sure that we have a link down at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is our last keyword phrase, our last sentence of the article, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use that keyword phrase again, and this time I'm going to link it to a page on our website. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say something like this. For more information about the best upholstery cleaning in Gilbert, AZ, contact us at... So here you go. Here you have your keyword phrase in the middle of a sentence, and you have a great way for them to contact you. Now we want to link this keyword phrase to a page on our website. So I'm going to go to a website. So say this is your website and you want to link it to your About Us page. Great. Go to your About Us page. You're going to go up to the link right up here, this URL bar, highlight it, go to Edit, Copy. Now you're going to go back to the post place. You want to make sure you highlight your keyword phrase, including that city and state. So just highlight that with your mouse. And you're going to go right here to this link button. It looks like a little chain. Click on that, and you're going to paste the URL right in there. So here you go. Here's the About Us URL that we just copied from the website. Press OK. And then when you click off, you can see this is what we call an embedded link. It's blue and underlined, and it's embedded in our keyword phrase. We don't want to just copy and paste the link like this at the back, because that's not going to do anything for us. We want to make sure that this link is embedded in the keyword phrase. And what that does for Google, it shows Google, it kind of highlights your keyword phrase. It shows Google like, hey, look at me. I'm important here. I'm including a link. Pay attention to these words right here. So Google is more likely to rank you higher in the search engine rankings if you link your keyword phrase. And again, make sure you're linking to somewhere on your website. We don't want to link off of your website. Every link that you put on your page in your articles, Google sees as an exit. So we want to make sure it's at the end because we don't want Google exiting our page up at the top of this. We want to make sure that they exit at the bottom and they're not exiting away from our website, but simply to another page. That will also help us as Google starts to rank us in the search rankings. So here you go, you have a title, you have a great article with your keyword phrase linked at the bottom. So now what? So now we're going to go and maybe we want to schedule this post for another day. So what a lot of our customers do is they'll sit down for a few hours on Monday or take a little bit of time here and there to schedule their posts out for the rest of the week so that you can schedule them at one time and the rest of the week you don't have to think about them at all. So this is actually a really handy feature. So today is the 27th, so maybe I want to schedule it for tomorrow, March 28th at 7:30 in the morning. So I want this is going to be scheduled now for tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. So that's great. I can just lock and load all of my articles for the rest of the week. And you can actually lock and load your articles for up to 60 days. So if you just want to take some time one day and just pound out a bunch of articles and schedule them for 60 days, this is a great way to not have to think about your marketing for the next 60 days. It's basically an autopilot that just puts your articles and puts your marketing and makes it all automated for you. So the next step here is we have an opt-in form. So what's an opt-in form? I'm going to show you an example. So I'm going to go, this is one of our customers, I'm going to go to his articles page. I know that he always puts opt-in forms, which are great. So here's his article. You can see he has great keywords up here, great title. He has an image and he has a link and here's his opt-in form. So here we go. He wants to know name, email, and phone number, and he wants to give them an incentive to fill it out. So fill out this form, we will get back to you for a free estimate. So that's great. It's telling me, I'm a reader, great, I want a free estimate. What do I have to do? Oh, I just have to fill out this form. So I'm going to go back to the post place, and here's how we create those. Here in this drop down, I can choose what information I receive from our readers. So you can either get their name and email, name, email, phone number, name, company name, email, phone number, whatever you want. So I'm just going to click name, email, and phone number. So anyone who fills out this form will fill out their name, email, phone number, and it will be automatically emailed to me so that I can follow up and hopefully get them as a customer. So now here's this opt-in form subject. So this is where we want to include the incentive for them to fill out this form. We really want to capture that information. We have to give them something good in return. So maybe I'm going to put something like for $5, for $5 off your next carpet cleaning, fill out the form below. So there you go. So you have a great title, a great article, you've scheduled it for tomorrow, and you have an opt-in form. And you say, but wait, I want an image too. Just like here, just like Superior Disaster, I want an image. So I'll show you how to do that. You could paste an image anywhere you want in your article. So I'm just going to put it right here. I'm just going to put my cursor and click right there. And then I'm going to go over and I'm going to click this button right here. It looks like a little Polaroid snapshot here. And I'm going to click image. And you can either browse the server if you already have images that are uploaded to your website. Here's where you would do that. Or if you have images on your computer that you would like to upload, you use this upload button right here. You can choose the file. And here I'm just going to put in one of our logos. So I'm going to pick this one. And I'm going to send it to the server. Oh, this is already available. I'm going to choose, here we go. So here we go, and it says, it gives me a URL for it, which is fine. And it gives me a preview right here. Say I don't want it this big. Say I don't want its width to be almost 600 pixels. I'm going to scale this down to 200, and you see it's going to update the preview right here for you, and it'll show you exactly how it will look within the body of your article. So that looks good to me, so I'm going to press OK, and there you go. I've inserted an image as well. So now I have a great title with great keywords, including my city and state, a rockin' article and make sure I link the last keyword phrase to a page on my website. I've scheduled it for tomorrow, and I've included an opt-in form with an incentive for my customers. So now I'm going to press save. And ta-da, the post was successful. So that's great. So now, maybe it's tomorrow and I'm thinking, oh, I really need to change some of this content. I want to upload a new picture or something like that. Where do I go to find it so I can edit it before it gets sent out? Well, this button right down here will let you do that. So you want to click on My Future Posts, and here you go. This is the article that we just created. So I can go in, click on Actions, and I can edit it, and I can also delete it. If I made a big mistake or I don't want it to post yet, I can delete it, or I can go in and I can edit it, and I can add another image, I can edit the text, I can edit the title, whatever you want. So here's where you do that. So since I don't want this to post tomorrow, and since it was just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to delete this future post. So it's not actually going to post. Are you sure you want to delete the future post? Yes, I'm going to scroll down and delete. So there you go, successfully deleted. So now I'm going to show you a couple other features in the post place. So we just checked out my future posts. Here's the settings button right here too. You can go here and you can see how many posts you're allowed per month. Automatically you're allowed 40 articles and videos per month, and you can increase that if you'd like. You can contact us about that. You can see how many posts you've already had that month, how many posts you've scheduled, and how many total you've had. This is throughout your entire lifetime with us, how many total posts you've had. And again, you really want to reach that 40 posts per month. That's where our customers are seeing the most success, is when they post those 40 a month. And those are articles or videos, and we recommend that you post a 50-50 split of those, so 20 articles and 20 videos. And that works out to be about 2 articles or videos per weekday. So Monday through Friday, you want to make sure you're either posting or you're scheduling 2 articles or videos per day. So I'm just going to go back, and then we have a history button right here, which just shows you the full history of all of your posts that you have. And you can go in and you can go to Actions and Edit Page, just like you would any of your other pages on your website. So that's it for how to post an article through the post place. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us at support.ontoplocal.com, or you can email us at support@ontoplocal.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.